This is a semi-circle bias cut skirt with the applied waistband. The pattern features 3 lengths. Pay attention to the notches. Place the front and the back skirt right sides together, aligning side edges. Pin and stitch side seams on the sewing machine. Neaten the seams. Press seam allowances toward the back. Overlock the center back seam allowances. Stitch back seam on the sewing machine, starting from the lower edge and finishing by the end of the zipper. Press seam allowances open. Overlock one of the waistband's long edges. Fold in half and press. Pin to the skirt right sides together. Stitch. Press the seam allowance toward the waistband. Pin and stitch one part of the zipper. Zip up and check symmetry. Pin, baste and stitch another side of the zipper. Please zip up and check again. Fold the waistband down, sew the short ends of the waistband. Turn the waistband the right way round. Pin or baste the inner part of the waistband in place.